This song was completely made by AI.
In darkened alleys where the lost souls tread, echoes of hope where the blues are bred. With every chord on the streets they play, they turn the night into their blues day. A canvas dark now splash with tunes, silent whispers under the moon.
Ever wondered how hit songs have been crafted by machines? Whether you're a music enthusiast or a tech lover, creating a song with AI might just be easier than you think. This can be used for several projects, including background music for movies, educational purposes, personal use, advertisement, etc. In this video, I will guide you step by step from choosing the right AI tools to turning simple ideas into fully produced tracks, all without needing to be a professional producer, all completely for free. Let's get started. To create an AI song, the first step is selecting a free AI music tool that works for you. Luckily, there are several high-quality platforms available at little or no cost. Today, we'll cover 3 of the best options. Let's get started. First, let's go with udioai. Udioai is a music generation AI tool developed by former Google DeepMind researchers. It is known for its high-fidelity output, genre specificity, and the ability to introduce specifiable tags for enhanced music creation. Simply head over to your browser and type udioai into the search bar. Click on the first website. You should be taken to this interface. Udio has a free and paid plan. The free plan offers 10 credits per day, which is more than enough of all we need. For the purpose of this video, let's go with the free plan. Click on Create on your upper left. You should be taken to this interface. The text bar is where we input the description of the song we want to put. Turn on manual mode if you are seeking specific sounds and want to interact directly with the model. There are no prompts rewriting with this mode. Select the style of your song. I am interested in blues song, so blues. Let's use the default module, Udio 32. For the lyrics, you can use auto-generated lyrics by Udio based on the description of the song inputted in the text box. You can also customize the song by choosing Custom. With this, you need lyrics. Simply input the lyrics if you are a good songwriter. But if you are not good at songwriting just like me, let AI write you a customized lyric. For lyrics writing, let's use Toolbaz. Open Toolbaz in another tab. Click Sign Up if you don't have an account. Just sign in if you do have one. The interface should look like this. Describe the song in the text box. And use the default AI module. Customize the mood or tone of your song. Blues for the genre, and for the point of view, third-person omniscient. Once ready, click Write. After generation, you can make adjustments if needful, then copy the lyrics. For better song generation in Udio, keep lyrics in about 6 lines for slower songs and more lines for faster ones. Return to audio, then paste the lyrics into the text box. In advanced features, a high prompt strength value improves prompt adherence to the content of the song, but may yield less natural-sounding results. The song may sound robotic, so let's leave it at 50%. Likewise, low lyric strength value leads to a more natural sound, but lyric content may be ignored. So let's balance them by selecting 50%. Now let's talk about seed. The seed ensures reproducibility of your songs. At a constant seed value, the same lyrics should generate similar or same songs. But mind you, it doesn't work in automatic mode. For our manual mode, let's maintain the seed at -1. A clip start is okay at 40%. Lyric timing is how long from the start of the song do you want your lyrics to play and end. Select the start and end time based on your preference. If you are unsure about the time, just select automatic. Also, 25% is okay for the clarity of the song. Then lastly, the quality. Of course, high quality is what we need, but keep in mind, it is inversely proportional to the speed of the song. A slower song will generate a quality song and vice versa to a faster song. Now scroll up and click Create. The second tool we'll be using is Sunoai. Sunoai generates realistic sounds that combine vocal and instrumentation. Simply type Sunoai in your browser. The link will be in the description down below. Click on Make a Song. You should be taken to this interface. Sunoai offers 50 credits a day, equivalent to 10 songs generation a day per the free plan. And click Create. In the description box, describe the song you want to create. You'll get a better result when you include the style and the topic you want. Example, a sad emotional song about life hardship. Use the newest module, version 3.5, and click Create. For manual creation, tick the Custom button, copy and paste the lyrics we generated into the text box. By clicking Surprise Me, you get a randomized lyric that you can use. I prefer the one we custom generated. Select the style of the song. If you're unsure the type of genre that best suits the lyrics, let AI help you. Just open ChatGPT. Use the following prompts. Below is a lyric that I generated. I'm not sure what music style best suits the lyric. Please read through and give me the best genre. Then paste the lyric. Once done, return to Sunoai and select the style. I'm going with sad. Add the title of the song, then click Create. Our song will be generated in a few seconds. Download the song to your PC. The third tool is Voicemod. Voicemod is a voice modulator and soundboard that lets you change your voice and add sound effects to games, apps, and platforms. It also has a test to sound generation capability. Open Voicemod in another tab. Click on Generate Sounds for free. You'll be taken to this window. Select the style of the sound by trying each of the styles.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La la. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. La la. La 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 la.
I'm going with levitate. Next, play each of the singer's voice, then select the one you find interesting.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Holy moly, holy moly. Naughty, 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 naughty. Throw low, 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 throw low, low.
Click on Next again. Since we have our lyrics already, simply paste them into the text box. Click Create. And after generation, click on Share to download. Now let's compare the three tools, udioai, sunoai, and Voicemodai. In terms of text-to-song generation, all three can generate songs from simple texts. For customization options, Udio has limited customization. Sunoai has more options, but requires knowledge of music. And for Voicemodai, there are basic options. It is preset according to the chosen style and singer. Udioai is easy to use. Sunoai is fair, and Voicemodai is very user-friendly. It is ideal for beginners. In terms of sound quality, udioai is fair and acceptable. Sunoai has been declining recently in terms of quality due to repetitive outputs. Quality is normally high in Voicemodai, but quality depends on chosen effects. For copyright infringement issues, there is no significant report of copyright issues in udioai. Making it a safer choice for creators. Sunoai has recently evolved in copywriting treatment cases, which poses a risk for creators regarding the use of song generation. For Voicemodai, there are no major issues reported. Personally, I choose udioai for its robust and flexible song generation abilities, at the same time ensuring higher quality and fewer legal risks. If you find this video useful, please support my YouTube channel by subscribing. Enjoy!
They used to say, hold on to your faith, 'cause there's a brighter tomorrow waiting to break. But I've seen faces carved with the weight of pain, born into struggles, they never escape the chains. From cradle to the grave, the same old fight. Where's the hope, where's the promised light? Life is a cycle, spinning out of control. We carry the burden, never reaching the goal. Life is hard, dreams don't come true. No matter how much we give, how much we do, it leaves us broken, leaves us torn, regretting the moments from the day we were born. There's no sweetness, no joy that remains. We chase the sun, but we're caught in the rain. Life is hard, dreams don't come true. No matter how much we give, how much we do. Memories of yesterday feel like a blur. The laughter fades and the pain starts to stir. They promised brighter days, but where are they now? All I see is hardship, I don't know how. We watch as dreams crumble, slip through our hands, like sand in the wind, disappearing on this land. The city lights flicker, but there's no warmth inside. Just another cold night where hope has died. Life is hard, dreams don't come true. No matter how much we give, how much we do, it leaves us broken, leaves us torn, regretting the moments from the day we were born. There's no sweetness, no joy that remains. We chase the sun, but we're caught in the rain. Life is hard, dreams don't come true. No matter how much we give, how much we do.